Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Creatnprocess. Today we'll be looking into creating realistic water drops design in Photoshop. We'll use layer style option to add all the styles and effects. We'll also create tiny air bubbles trapped inside the water drops. So let's begin with the tutorial. Open a new Photoshop document. We'll apply gradient color to the background. So click on the gradient panel. On the gradient editor, click on the slider and apply yellow color. You can copy the value from here and click OK. For the next slider, apply green color and click OK. Now, using the gradient tool, click and drag to apply the gradient color on the background. Next, add a new layer. Select the brush tool and choose hard brush. Increase the brush size and make a white circle. Then, reduce the fill value to 0%. This makes the circle invisible. Now double click on the layer to open layer style panel. Here apply inner shadow, change the color to green, give some distance and increase the size to give soft fade. Set the opacity to 100%, give the chalk value 5 and the size 46 pixel. Then apply inner glow. Change the color to light green, change the blend mode to normal, set the size to 144 pixel and the opacity to 25%. Next, apply drop shadow. Change the color to dark green, set the opacity 100%, distance around 9 and the size to 8 pixel. Now scale up the size using the transform option. Command or Ctrl T to transform. Next, we'll add highlights. Select the ellipse tool and draw out an oval. Remove the stroke color. Here, adjust the size and rotation using the transform option. Add a mask to the layer and erase out a corner using the brush tool with the black color selected. Now, with the Alt pressed, just click and drag to create a duplicate. Scale down the size and place it around here. Duplicate one more and adjust the size and rotation. Select the big shape and let's apply layer style. Apply inner glow. Set the color to yellowish green. Set the opacity to 100%, size 6 pixel and click OK. This will add a soft glow along the borders. Now let's apply some texture to the drop. So open the layer style and take pattern overlay. Choose this pattern. Scale up the size around 362% and reduce the opacity to 5% and click OK. We can see a realistic soft pattern inside the drop. Next, select the mask from the highlight layer. Make a selection using the lasso tool. Apply black color to the selection with a shortcut Alt backspace. This will hide out the selection area. Draw out a circle using the ellipse tool to make a glossy ring. Remove the fill color and add stroke color. Set the thickness around 0.21 points. Scale up the size and add a mask to the layer. Now you can hide out the area using the brush tool and unhide the area using the eraser tool. Keep only the portion of the ring which you want to apply. Then, selecting the layer, go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Rasterize the shape. Set the radius value to 1.4 pixel and click OK. Double-click the layer to open layer style. Apply color overlay and change the color to yellow. Next, apply outer glow. Choose the light green color and set the size to 3 pixel. Reduce the opacity of the layer to 81%. We got a soft ring effect inside the drop. Now select all the layers and press Command or Ctrl G to group up. Command or Ctrl T to transform, right click and select Distort. Distort the drop to get unsymmetrical shape. Next, we'll create the trapped air bubbles inside the drop. So duplicate the drop, open the group and delete out the ring layer. Now scale down the size and open layer style panel. Under drop shadow, reduce the size to 2 pixel. Under inner shadow, set the distance to 0 pixel, choke to 9 pixel and size to 16 pixel. Under inner glow, change the color to yellowish green, increase the opacity to 50% and the size to 9 pixel. Apply outer glow. Here, change the color to yellow, increase the spread to 51% and reduce the size to 9 pixel. This will add a yellow ring around the bubble. Place it around your drop. Duplicate few more bubbles and place them with variations. So we got a realistic water drops with tiny air bubbles trapped inside. Let's create one more water drop. So duplicate the drop. Scale down the size, open the layer style panel. Here, we'll do the adjustments in inner shadow to change the direction of the light. Inner glow to enhance the surface color and glow. And the pattern overlay to add texture to the drop. Select the mask of the ring layer and unhide a portion of the ring to add the ring effect. Reduce the opacity to 54%. Now, scale down the highlighted shape and fill up the hidden portion using the brush tool under mask layer. So, we have created another different water drop by doing few changes in layer style. Finally, we have created a realistic water drop. We have understood the advanced use of layer style option. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Don't forget to check out the next tutorial coming up. And if you want more updates on designing, don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.